There I was, 300 kilometers from home in the forest at a recreational campsite with a snapped clutch cable. On the bright side, I still had cell reception, so I was able to mass text my friends for advice on how to clutchless shift, also to see if they were available. With very little faith instilled in my ability to clutchless shift my way home, I made plans to stop at a friend's house who was en route the next morning to see if we can make something work with the tools he had. Fretting my predicament of having to ride through traffic tomorrow, I quickly changed my mind and decided to leave immediately, which meant riding through the night. 45 minutes later, I showed up at Michael's house. This is Michael. No, he doesn't live in a tent. Even though Michael thought I was showing up the next morning, he still dropped what he was doing to see if he could get me back on the road in better shape than I arrived. We ripped the snapped clutch cable out, tossed a bicycle brake cable through the clutch cable housing, and proceeded to ponder how best to tie a knot in the stainless steel cable. Even with a bag of zip ties, a handful of pliers, and limitless determination, we were unable to anchor the cable to the clutch lever on the engine. As we sat back in frustration, I said aloud, "We need something to pull the cable and lock it at the same time." Michael says, "Wait, like a derailleur cable installer?" Michael reaches into a bin of tools to pull out a derailleur cable puller. Before we even have it on the cable, we curse the tool up and down, doubting it'll even hold, but sure enough, it works perfectly. It was almost as if the tool was designed for the very thing. A couple test pulls on the clutch lever, and I was convinced this is how I would continue a few-hour journey home. We affixed zip tie after zip tie, connecting the tool to the frame of the motorcycle to prevent losing the tool in the darkness of the highway. With more zip ties and another set of linesman pliers added to my saddlebags, off I went. Back on the highway, shifting gears with ease, pushing through the crisp mountain air, I couldn't help but feel thankful for the greatest tool I carried. And no, it wasn't those nifty pliers. It was Michael. This friendship and the shared desire to help each other through the worst of times. You see, I can do a lot of things, but I can do even more things because I have amazing people around me. No matter how many 10mm you have stashed in your toolkit, there's no replacement for a genuine friend, so thank you, Michael. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this story. Please smash the like and subscribe button down below. Have a good day.